up Bjorkstrand. McCarr cutting down the angle, shot, score! Bjorkstrand, 2-0 Seattle.
Slowly. That's
clear.
Go roll it back a smidge right there. That's offside.
The play was offside, no goal.
That's the right call, so it remains a 2-1 Seattle. There's Lehkonen, sends in deep, 5 seconds remaining. Nathan McKinnon, hit to the boards by Tanev, centering pass, blocked off. The Kraken win game 7. They knock off the defending Stanley Cup champs. As an NHL head coach, season has come to an end in round 1 for the Colorado Avalanche.
Now we'll have to go and evaluate and have a big off season, and hopefully we can surround those guys with the right mix of players, and health is always a part of it too.
Not entirely sure, to be honest with you. We continue trying to find ways, consult with experts and doctors, and is surgery an option? Yeah, and we'll see where we go.
You never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water?
Big chip to the front. McKinnon
Look me
scores!
in my eyes, tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't
deflected by Fiala.
and the river has run
The ice for Jack
dry.
Johnson. For the red cup score! Colorado Avalanche get their first win of the season. Go back in. McCarr starting into the backhand shot. He scores! Kale McCarr!
You'll never get free.
But no, the 6'5" goalie doesn't do that.
Bridge, Rantanen, in a sweet spot, scores! Mikko Rantanen! And he's checked. Here comes McCarr on the breakaway. Kale McCarr scores! McCarr again across. McKinnon scores! Oh, man. Fired ahead, Val. Gives it up, McKinnon on the breakaway. And shoots and scores! Fishing the other way with Tuck. Can't get it. Oh, and McKinnon bulldogs Jeff Skinner. What a hit. Another one-timer and his big balls up in front. John scores! McKinnon one-timer. Works it in. Nichushkin slow toward the front of the net. Oh, shoot! And scores! Up the middle. Here comes Kale in. Ripped up. He scores!
We'll never get free. Lamb to the
On the attack to McKinnon. McKinnon. He scores!
the price of your greed.
Now McKinnon scores! In low. Rantanen through it. Backdoor. They score! Dawes cuts in front. Loose puck shot. Score! All the way over there. McKinnon scores! Net. A pass in front. And Walker's. 3 to go in overtime. In front. Score! Just can't seem to get it out. Here's Wood. He'll race in. Miles Wood. Penalty coming up. Score! Back to Kale. One-timer. Deflected. Score! No, I'm sorry. He gave it away. Shot. Score! Sends it down the slot. Backhand. Score! Fired up. Kiviranta shoots. Save on. Rebound. Puck drop. Score! Sends it out deep in front. Shot. Score! Shot. Block. Rebound. Score! Scotiabank. Mantis for a shot. Into the slot. Score! To McKinnon. Hold. Look. Dangle shoots. And scores! Made 2 goals in just under 2 minutes. Up on Walker. Score! And now they score! McKinnon. Cross-ice pass. Score! This is the third Colorado goal. Back across for McKinnon. He scores! Here comes Drouin. Looks to get his step on the tag. For McKinnon. He shoots. He scores!